Hello my wonderful people, you are welcome back again to my channel. Yes, I'm back again with another video. Wetin I wan talk today na about the same video when I do last week when about relationship. So I let una know say I go do the episode 2 of that same topic, which is wife material, how somebody go take know say in na wife material, and wetin make am be say most men they no dey wan quick settle down. Some men ready to stay relationship for 6 years, but when e reach time to say make we come join hand together, e go become big problem for them. Why? Because most men, let me say almost all men, they get qualities when they look out for woman before they will say they won't settle down. Because when you don't marry, now like life contract, let me say, now lifetime partnership. So if you no dey careful, at the end of the day you go come become victim. Everybody go come share garri. So most men they no dey like all those things. So na im make am you see say then they mostly dey look for many things for woman body. That is the qualities when they look for woman body before they will talk say they won't settle down with her. And when they don't find all these qualities, they no dey waste time, they will marry the woman. But when they never really found those qualities, they fit stay with woman for 7 years, 6 years, 5 years. They go there for courtship. Anytime when the woman bring the question say marriage, you go see the man go change face, he go charge. So now this one be most of the secrets. Most men they get things when they really want for woman. You know, when man and woman they do boyfriend and girlfriend, many things they when they see for your body, when be say you go they overlook, you know go fit tell you, but for your mind you go they tell and say this one not be the kind woman when you go fit spend the life with. So this message now for men when they look for wife material, and for women too when they look for husband material. Not be for men when be say they don't get anything concern serious relationship for their agenda, they don't get anything when concern marriage for their agenda. Any man when he talk say before he go marry, the woman must be like a mama, the woman must get character like a mama, the woman must dey cook like a mama, you go see and say that kind of man he not serious for life, he not ready for any serious business. So one of the 3 qualities of a wife material, now I wan talk for this topic today, join the one when I talk last week. Number 1 na woman when too dey materialistic. Woman when e dey materialistic. Wetin I mean by that word, make I break am down. When woman dey materialistic, be say woman when be say money no dey stay for e hand. Anytime when anything money come, he must spend am. That is, he get that spirit. That is, he no fit save, he no fit hold money. E be like say basket dey that woman or that lady hand. This message na for both married and unmarried. So anytime when that thing just enter their hand, when they come money, if they no spend am, they no go get peace of mind. So when you dey relationship with a man, when woman dey relationship with a man and he get that kind of character, when be say anything when he enter a hand, they must spend am. Not be say they spend am say they take and do something when e dey necessary. They won't take and do things when e no dey necessary, unnecessary things. That is, when you need something and you want something, there is difference between something when you need and something when you just won't get. Big difference there. So women dey when be say, even married women, not be only ladies when never marry, when be say any latest thing when e dey in town, if they no get am, they no go rest. If na the latest iPhone na im come out, they dey for there. Na the latest Wivon na im come out, they dey for there. Na the latest bag and shoe complete na im come out, e dey for there. Even though say the one when im get sef no be say e don old or e don even reach to change, or maybe say anything don do or e don even dey outdated, e don comot for fashion, even though say e never be like that. But for the fact say this one na the latest one, they just won't get am, then they will continue dey store am for there. Many women dey like that when e dey live like that. Even the married one especially, some of them when be say even though say heaven dey join ground for inside house, things dey hard, things get as e be, now they just won't get that latest things when they want. So when you dey in courtship with a man, then anything when you want, the man fit dey provide am for you, fit dey give you that time. Any latest thing when e come out, you want am. You want the latest phone, you want the latest hair, especially those one when be say they just go look Instagram, they just see some kind things when some kind woman wear, some sef you don't know whether na borrow, because especially all these celebrities, most of them na fake life that they live. Now they see most of them at the end of the day sef, some people will say they go they borrow their house, they take picture, they borrow their car, they take picture. So some women dey when be say when go just go through that Instagram, just go look all those things when be say that they borrow post, when they do notice me, they just come, their head go just burst. They go tell their oga or their boyfriend say, if you don't provide this thing for me today, heaven go join ground. You must give me money, you must take care of me, you must give me money, make me sef I get this thing, I won't belong. So not be say e no good to get good things, but when these things they are not necessary, I don't think say e good to dey, that one na waste of money. When you dey get things when e be say you no really need, na just to get am, make people know say you don fit join the squad when he buy the latest thing. Now for you to get am, na you go put am for one corner because you no really need those things, just make people just say you don get those things. So when you dey live those kind life, when e be say anything when e enter your hand, you no know how to say make we plan for tomorrow, you no know how to say make we save in case of something come up tomorrow, so that we will know how we will take care of those things. You be that kind person. When man dey date you, men dey consider, even when they give you all those things, they no go talk, but deep down in them, then they consider say this one no be wife material, because if e be say me with this one we come join together tomorrow, then family problem come up, children don come and different thing. This kind woman na only to get the latest asoebi, to get the latest wivon, to get the latest iPhone and other yeye things. Na this woman go dey think, e no go support me, e no go join make we solve the problem together. So that one fit be one of the things wey be say some men dem go dey consider say, I no sure say this one na wife material. Don't get me wrong, I no talk say person no go look good or e no get things when e need, but there are some things when be say e no really dey necessary. Some people just get that spirit, just be like say hoe enter their hand. Anytime when something just enter their hand, they wan just take am get something, just make that money comot for their hand. That one na one of the things wey men dey consider for wife material. So number 2 again, when most men dey look for as a wife material, na woman wey be say, when e be say let me say support, life support, woman wey dey supportive. That is woman wey be say anytime when problem come, how the woman go take handle am. Let's example say something go wrong, things come be like say e hard, the man get some kind problem, or e get some kind work problem, e fit be family problem, e fit be any personal problem, anything. So the role wey you play as a woman, na that man go take see and say, this woman na wife material, or this one na the kind woman wey be say im go fit put for house. So if this kind woman im marry am tomorrow, I no sure say life go too hard am. That is when problem come, no be only to support the man with finance, that is financially, not be only that one. Not be all men dey really even need that one for woman. Not be all men dey look for money for woman hand. There are things they call moral support. When problem come like this, wetin be your idea? Wetin be your role when you go play? Wetin you dey talk? Which position you dey? That is which of help you be? Which solution you dey bring? Positive one, when e go make you and that man join hand together, una go work those things out, then things go come back to normal. When problem happen most of the time for excuse me, for some house, you go see and say only the man go dey panic up and down. He go dey take hand dey scratch hair, dey take hand dey scratch him head. How him go do this one? How him go waka? Wetin be the next solution? So women dey go just relax. E go be like say anything no dey happen. They go relax. E go be like say nothing dey happen. They no get any contribution. They no get anything when they go join that problem to bring solution. Even when the man ask them say, look at what is happening, look at what I'm going through, the woman go say, you no know. He go pretend sef. He go not be say pretend, because not be say the woman really pretend, because he no really get idea. He no really get wetin he wan contribute. He just dey there. Most women think say maybe we don dey relationship and I be wife, I be girlfriend. So any other thing na the man go take care of, and that one na anything when come up na he go think am. That one na him own problem. So when you are not supportive and you no get ideas, you no know how to handle situation when e arise, that is make una handle am together, make you and the man work on am together. Most men, especially when e be say una dey courtship, una never marry, most men dey consider say, I no sure say this one go be wife material, because if I marry this kind of person, na be say load go kill enemy. That one na number 2. Then number 3 of it, Another thing be say, when you dey courtship and when you marry na almost the same thing, in the sense that from courtship na you go enter marriage abi. So when woman too dey selfish, most men dey consider am, dey say dem never know whether this one go be my life partner. You know say some women dey when be say dem dey really selfish. Make I no too talk say girlfriend, make I really talk say na married women this time around. Some women be say when dem dey selfish, they just get that natural spirit. Dem dey very very selfish. Even when e be say dem get money or dem get something for hand, things dey really dey hard for the family. E go even be say sometimes e go be to the extent the thing dey even dey affect the children sef. Financially, things dey very 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 hard for the family. Even though say this woman go talk say lie, even though say heaven join ground, e no get. E go gather everything wey e get, e go hide am under that place where your hand no go quick reach. E go hide am. Even when somebody dey meme for ground, that woman don cross im mind. E say e no get. E can never bring anything come out to take support, in the sense that because she dey feel say na you be the man, na your responsibility, na you go carry the whole load, good or bad. Na you know how you go take handle this matter. Me, this one wey you see for my hand, so I no get. I no dey bring am come out, and I no get. So when you dey courtship, you go fit, men go fit detect say you be person wey dey staging, or person when e be say you dey open-minded or you dey open hand. Men dey look all those things. Sometimes when dem dey courtship, dem go dey pretend. One na be boyfriend and girlfriend, dem fit dey pretend say all these things dem no know. Every time na for him to give you, every time na so for him to give you. I wan buy this one, I wan do this one. You never even get one thing, even though say the thing sef na yeye thing, even though say the something sef na only €1, say na dem dey sell this thing, you go still say me, my honey, I still buy this one, I give you as a gift. Even when the something no be quality something, no be something when e dey expensive, the man go see am say this woman or this lady, e really be wan do, maybe na like this na im hand reach. That man go appreciate those things. You know, most women dey think say na so men, na only man na im suppose give, na only man go give, na only man go give. If you no get, that one na different issue. Some people get, but they no get that spirit say na me be the woman, I no fit give, na only the man fit dey give. So when man dey date woman, e dey see say that kind woman na that kind person, na that kind woman be when be say e dey tight hand. E dey see dey consider you say whether you be wife material, because men dey very 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 careful, because when you reach this thing wey dem dey call marriage, e dey na very dangerous game. So they dey look many things for woman body before they will talk say finally now I wan settle down with this one. And once dem meet that thing wey dem dey look for, they no dey waste time. I no dey talk of the men when he talk say when dem dey overlook quality, they look for women wey get 101 quality. Not be those kind of people I dey talk to, because some men dey when e be like that. Joromi go talk say Amaka no sabi cook, Nkechi no sabi wash cloth, wetin dem dey call am, Adanaya na so church she dey go, Mary no come from my village. Different you go talk different things. He want everything 100%. Like I said before, if man dey look for woman when he get im mama character, or when they fit cook like im mama, when be exactly like im mama, he no go marry like he no go settle down like he no go even stay serious relationship like because everybody get their own unique style. Everybody get the way wey God take create them. So we are talking of qualities when woman fit get, when e go attract man talk say yes, this woman na my life partner. It go be na this kind of woman I want may be my life partner. Now this woman na real wife material, because most men they look for woman when be say it will be role model to their children. If he can't marry you tomorrow, you can't get some kind dubious character, you can't get some kind way until they do something. I don't say woman they kneel down for man, they say sa put head for ground. Not be that one show say woman take dey respect person, or woman to get character. Not be that one. We are talking of quality of wife material here. We are talking of life partner here. So it gets some things when you go get for head, because this man when he won't take you join in life, make una be one. Apart from saying na your soulmate, una be like partnership. Marriage na like partnership. So when that man don't see all those things, he no go waste time. He go bring you together and I will become one. And all those qualities when e see for your body when e make am like you, e dey look up to you say tomorrow if you still get children for am, those children dem go copy those things from you. You go be like role model to them. So when you no get all those things wey men dey really dey look for, men dey really dey consider say whether this woman fit be my life partner. Na im make am say some men dem go stay for relationship for very long time because they never even see wetin they want and they no even know how they go take talk am. And sometimes maybe they love you, so that relationship now you go stay long because they love you. They no wan break the relationship. They no even wan make you stay with another person. When they see you with another person, they dey jealous. But deep down inside them, then they wish say if to say you get all those quality, e therefore dey really happy. So now here I go end my video today. Now here I go dey roll up, so I go try make another part 3 of this videos. Just stay tuned. Thank you for taking your time to watch this my video, and if you never subscribe to this my channel, abeg don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumb up, share this video, and you'll still see one bell when they call notification bell near where they write subscribe. Click both of them, so anytime when I put new video, you no fit miss any of this my topics. So now here I go dey roll up today. Have a blessed day. For now I say ciao ciao.